Today we're going to show you how to download and navigate with your My Hyundai BlueLink app on your smartphone device. If you have an iPhone, you're going to go to your home screen and click on the App Store. From the App Store, you're going to click on the search bar, and then we are going to search My Hyundai with BlueLink. When you search for the app, there will be two BlueLink apps. You want to make sure that you click on the My Hyundai with BlueLink app because the other one is not supported for My Hyundai vehicles. When finished downloading, you want to click on the app, and there you will find your My Hyundai login page. Here you will use your My Hyundai email and password to log in. From the home screen, you'll be able to start your vehicle, stop your vehicle, lock your vehicle, unlock your vehicle, turn on the horn and lights, and also keep the lights on your vehicle. Here you'll also find where you can start a timer for when you're parked in a parking spot that has a parking time. At the top of the page, you're going to click on the menu button. There you'll find alert settings. You'll be able to schedule service, accessories for your vehicles, Hyundai Rewards, dealer locator as well. You'll also be able to call roadside assistance if needed right there from the app. If you have more than one Hyundai vehicle equipped with BlueLink, you'll also be able to switch vehicles as needed. Click on alert settings, and here you will find some of the best features of the BlueLink app. You're going to have speed alerts, valet alerts, curfew alerts, and also geofence alert. You can manage these all by yourself in certain areas. For example, I'm going to turn on the valet system. I'm going to set it up to notify me when the valet company goes out of the designated area of 0.25 miles. It will either send a text message to my phone or email me immediately. Thank you for watching Premier Hyundai's BlueLink tutorial. If y'all have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 601-856-6423. Buy happy. It's the Wilson way.